Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Today, we will go through some important current affairs questions that are frequently asked in competitive exams. These questions will help strengthen your general awareness and keep you updated on key national and international events, a crucial part of success in any exam preparation. First question is, which country won both the women's and men's finals of the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025? A. Sri Lanka. B. India. C. Nepal. D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is B. India. Next question. Who was the captain of the Indian women's Kho-Kho team during the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025? A. Priyanka Ingle. B. Sumit Bhatia. C. Mithali Raj. D. Harmanpreet Kaur. The correct answer is A. Priyanka Ingle. Next question. When did the 55th World Economic Forum, WEF, annual meeting take place in Davos, Switzerland? A. January 15 to 19, 2025. B. January 20 to 24, 2025. C. January 25 to 29, 2025. D. 30th January to 3rd February, 2025. The correct answer is B. January 20th to 24th, 2025. Next question. When and where was the 6th BIMSTEC summit held? A. Kathmandu. B. Bangkok. C. Dhaka. D. New Delhi. The correct answer is B. Bangkok. The 6th BIMSTEC summit was held on 4th April 2025 in Bangkok, Thailand, under the theme BIMSTEC, Prosperous, Resilient and Open. The summit was chaired by Thailand, the current chair of BIMSTEC. Indian PM Narendra Modi participated in the event. Next question. Who has recently been appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council, ACC? A. Najam Sethi. B. Shammi Silva. C. Mohsin Naqvi. D. Inamul Haq. The correct answer is C. Mohsin Naqvi. Pakistan Cricket Board, PCB, Chairman Mohsin Naqvi has been appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council, ACC. He assumed the role on 3rd April 2025, succeeding Shammi Silva, President of Sri Lanka Cricket, SLC. He will serve a 2-year term. Next question. Railtel Corporation of India Ltd has signed an MoU with which organizations to promote skill development in the railway sector? A. IIT Delhi and Niti Aayog. B. LTSU Punjab and NSDC. C. NSDC and IIM Ahmedabad. D. IGNOU and Ministry of Railways. The correct answer is B. LTSU Punjab and NSDC. Railtel Corporation of India Ltd, a Navratna PSU under the Ministry of Railways, has signed an MoU with Lamrin Tech Skills University, LTSU, Punjab, and the National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC, to promote skill development in the railway sector. Next question is, which country has recently developed the world's first deep-sea radar that can detect high-flying aircraft? A. USA. B. Russia. C. China. D. Japan. The correct answer is C. China. Next question. In which state Indiram Atmiya Bharosa scheme was recently launched? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Telangana. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is B. Telangana. Next question. Which city will host the AI Action Summit 2025? A. New York. B. Paris. C. Geneva. D. Tokyo. The correct answer is B. Paris. Thank you for joining us today. We'll meet again in the next video with more important current affairs questions. Stay updated and keep learning.